Both of my grandparents died from a cancer, and we had a lot of really great physicians that took the time to answer questions. And so my dad asked me when I went down this path to make sure that I always answered people's questions. I'm very grateful. I had absolutely fantastic training from a large variety of both community surgeons as well as academic faculty. I actually did a fellowship in pancreatic biliary surgery and interventional endoscopy. As far as what I do general surgery and I do vascular surgery. I do specialized GI endoscopy procedures, hernias, gallbladders, appendix, bowel surgery, stomach surgery, even a little bit of chest surgery, lung surgery. I've been able to successfully do that. I'm from Owensboro, Kentucky, just an hour down the road. I was born there, grew up there, went back to work there for the last 10 years. Things that's not really commonly talked about with physicians is really the joy we get from seeing people get better. Coming in, having whatever kind of issue, and then seeing them get better. That's probably one of the bigger driving forces. I'm Michael West Jr. I'm a board-certified general surgeon who also does vascular and interventional endoscopy. I work at Greenview Surgical here in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Greenview Regional Hospital.